I hope you are doing well. So today I will tell you about the espresso, how to take the right espresso. No need to be channeling, no need to do these things. Your espresso will be effective. So let's make the espresso. We will show you how to make the nice espresso. So we will take the portafilter. Our portafilter is 18 gram. You need to always check the basket how many gram. So this one is 18 gram basket.
The coffee you made is the white and true.
So this is our 18 gram coffee. So let's we will temp here. We have a temper here and we have manual temper. So we will do this one. We have 90 degree temperature.
So that's amazing. Okay.
So this is our nice temp. There will be no channeling, nothing. So we can extract the espresso cup. This is our espresso cup. So we will extract here. You can check the first drop. Need to be coming 4 to 7 seconds. You can see the drop. There is no channeling, nothing, because it's the right temper. You need to take care always the tamping, because if tamping not good, you not properly press, so your espresso will be effective. This one will be more bitter. So we extract already our espresso is coming 25 seconds and 36 seconds. 36 gram is it. 25 seconds. So we will be taste the espresso. We have here the espresso spoon, so we can first check the aroma. That's our perfect espresso. So this is the thing is we need to take care of about the espresso always, because our espresso is very important in coffee shop. If you are barista, you need to check first espresso, because our espresso is good, our liquid is coffee also. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you next video. Thank you.